When considering a software like Absolute Security, it's crucial to know what sets it apart and how it compares to the competition. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 7 most important things you need to know before diving in. And trust me, these are things you won't want to overlook. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to show you how to get a free trial and exclusive benefits you won't find elsewhere. The first thing to note about Absolute Security is its unmatched level of encryption. Unlike many other software options out there, Absolute Security takes data protection to the next level, with military-grade encryption protocols that ensure your sensitive information is never compromised. This is critical in today's digital age, where data breaches are a real threat. Many of its competitors may offer basic encryption, but Absolute Security ensures end-to-end protection with layers that you simply won't get elsewhere. Next thing you should consider is how user-friendly Absolute Security is, especially when compared to other complex software in this space. If you've tried other security tools, you know they can often be difficult to set up or manage. Not with Absolute Security, it's designed to be intuitive, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The streamlined interface means you can get started quickly and spend less time worrying about security and more time focusing on what matters to your business. The third thing to keep in mind is its real-time threat monitoring. Many security solutions only alert you after the damage is done, but Absolute Security keeps you a step ahead by continuously monitoring your system for any potential threats. This proactive approach is one of the reasons it's gained a reputation for superior performance in protecting your data from malware, ransomware, and other online dangers. Now let's talk about cost effectiveness. One of the biggest drawbacks of many competitors is the hidden fees and upselling. Absolute Security, however, offers transparent pricing, ensuring you only pay for what you need without any surprise charges. Plus, they have a completely free trial, which is something most competitors don't offer. You can test the full suite of features before committing. The fifth thing you should know is how quickly Absolute Security integrates with your existing systems. Whether you're using other software or a legacy system, Absolute Security makes it easy to integrate without major disruptions. A lot of its competitors require complicated installations or third-party assistance, but Absolute Security does all the heavy lifting for you, allowing for a seamless transition and minimal downtime. Next thing is its customer support. Absolute Security has a reputation for offering responsive, knowledgeable support when you need it. In fact, many users report that the customer service team is one of the best parts of the software. This is a huge advantage over competitors that either have limited support hours or unhelpful responses. If something goes wrong, you can rest assured that Absolute Security is there to help you resolve it quickly. Finally, one of the most compelling reasons to choose Absolute Security is its regular updates and improvements. Security threats evolve constantly, and unlike some of its competitors, Absolute Security stays ahead of the curve with regular updates to its software. This ensures that you always have the latest protections against emerging threats, which is a huge bonus for businesses looking to stay secure long term. Now, if you're interested in trying Absolute Security for yourself, click the first link in the description to get access to the best free trial and some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't wait, ensure your data is protected with one of the best security software options available today.